What's up, my YouTube family? This is Rahul Sharma, founder of Stock Market Riches by Rahul Sharma, and I'm just creating this video series to educate people about the calls which I give in my channel. This is my Telegram channel. Let me show you guys. Stock Market Riches. You can just search here for Stock Market Riches and you'll get this Telegram channel. I just started this channel recently, and the purpose of starting this channel is to educate people, is to let people know on what basis I'm giving the calls of stock. Mainly, I give calls for swing trading because I feel that every new person in the stock market should start with swing trading, right, and not run behind intraday trading. Okay, so I'll just talk about one of the stocks in one video, and this was the stock I gave, Piramal Enterprises Limited (PEL), and I gave the call on January 15, Friday 2021. So let's see on the chart. Alright, here is the chart for PEL. Okay, so this is the daily chart, and around January 15, yeah, here we go. So here around somewhere around 1600 I gave this call, and after that the stock has went to around 1900 rupees. It's giving a profit of decent profit of 20% approximately. So okay, let us just check this out. From here it went till here, yeah, so 22% approximately profit it is giving, and it's still in the holding. So what was the analysis behind this stock, why I recommended this stock to buy? And you might also be noticing that Rahul, the market has the stock has been falling from here, and it went till 1300, right? So why that does this happen? Why did this happen? Or why we bought at 1600? So let me show you one very interesting thing, that around 15th of January, yeah, here you go. So as you can see, the Nifty also fell, right? This is before the budget. The Nifty also gave a good retracement, so it was highly likely that stocks are also gonna follow Nifty, right? In actual, the Nifty follows the stocks because Nifty is you know Nifty is made up of stocks, so Nifty follows the stocks. But it is highly likely that stocks are gonna follow the movement of Nifty, because Nifty is like kind of what I will say, like the big picture. Okay, so if the Nifty is going up, there's a high chance that the stocks are going up. If the Nifty is going down, there's a high chance that the stocks are going down. Okay, so the Nifty also gave a good retracement, so the stock also gave a good retracement. Alright, so now I'll share the analysis behind PALE, Piramal Enterprise Limited, why I recommended this stock. Alright, so let us go to the weekly chart of it. Alright, as you can see, the stock has been in a good downtrend, right? From around these levels, the stock has been completely in a downtrend. Okay, let's go to the monthly chart for it. Alright, beautiful downtrend. So is there anyone who is gonna recommend to buy stocks which are already in such a downtrend? No, not at all. And it is not a good decision to go for buying trades in such kind of stocks that are already in a downtrend. But still, I recommended these stocks. Why was it so? So let me show you a very interesting thing here. If you guys can notice, this is the trend line breakout, right? This is the trend line breakout, and if you guys are gonna notice this, this is the MACD crossover as well, and this is not in a smaller time frame, this is in a monthly time frame. So does that mean that it will necessarily go up? No, this isn't necessary, but you will definitely get a very good swing trade for a few days to hold. So if you so if this stocks continues this momentum, continues this breakout, so the stock can really go up, right? the stock can really go up from here. Okay, but there is also a chance that the stock is gonna go up, is gonna face some resistance from this moving average, and then again go in the downtrend. So where do we have to exit it? Where do we have to enter? For how much time we need to hold the stock? This is all basically into the technical analysis, right? And for that we have to properly do the technical analysis. But right now this stock has given a very good breakout, and it is from the monthly charts. The stock is looking really nice. In a daily chart it is already in an uptrend now, and one strategy which you can follow is that you can go along this moving average. This is a 50 moving average. You can just follow the share along this 50 moving average, and you can trail your stop loss as high as it goes. Or if you want to hold it for a long term holding, yes, you can keep that. That is basically based on your risk. Okay, so what I think is for swing traders who are willing to keep the stock just for a few days, a 20% return is quite decent actually. And point to be noted here is that the stock has gone down as well. See guys, from here the stock has gone down as well. The stock has even gone 16% down as well from that point, and then the stock has moved around 20% up. So it is, if we would have bought at this area, if we would have waited for the Nifty to retrace and then bought the stock, it would have given us around a 36% return. And okay, what has the time period been like? Okay, just see here. It's been just 38 days. In 38 days, if you're getting around 20% return, are you still willing to keep your money with the banks? When you're getting 22% or 20% of return in 38 days, around a month time, or you can say 45 days, 1.5 months, you're getting such good, decent returns. And there has been a very good sell-off in the markets on Friday, right? But still you are anywhere around 15 to 16% of return, a very decent return. You guys can also exit it at this point of time, because this share I basically gave it for a swing trade and our purpose has been completed. So the people in our group can also exit this share at this particular point of time, or I will let them know the exit points, basically the targets. As you guys already might know that we talk in terms of targets: target 1, target 2, target 3. So the safest option always is to take the target 1 and exit, right? So the safest players in my group who do not want to risk more can just exit this share as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is a completely new initiative. I'm trying this out for the very first time, so I just need your love, your support from everybody of you. Thank you very much, and do like and subscribe and share this channel with all your friends and family. Thank you.